Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Versa tail light. First, gather your tools like a screwdriver and the new bulb. Then, open your trunk to access the light assembly. You'll need to remove a few clips to get to the wiring. Once exposed, you can easily twist out the old bulb and put in the new one. Finally, reassemble everything and test the light. To begin, open your trunk and find the carpeted access panel on the side where the tail light is located. You'll typically see one or two plastic clips or screws holding this panel in place. Carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are out, gently pull back the trunk liner to reveal the back of the tail light assembly and its wiring harness. Now that you have access, locate the specific bulb socket for the tail light. Gently twist the socket about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Pull the socket straight out. The old bulb can then be pulled directly out of the socket. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, then reinsert the socket into the assembly, twisting it clockwise to lock it in place. With the new bulb installed, carefully push the trunk liner back into its original position. Reattach all the plastic clips or screws you removed earlier to secure the access panel. Once everything is reassembled, close your trunk. Turn on your vehicle's headlights and check to ensure the new tail light is working properly and illuminating as it should.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.